Tailor-made motor management. With Simocode Pro, your money is on independent full motor protection that adapts to your requirements. You don't require any other components for protecting, controlling, and monitoring. Everything is already integrated. Simocode Pro also safely shuts your motors down, thus protecting personnel and machinery. Another strength of the system is its communication capability. Simocode Pro transfers operating, service, or diagnostics data from the motors to higher-level systems, thus increasing plant availability. Connection is via either Profibus or Profinet. Make your choice for Simocode Pro for Profinet to secure 3 substantial advantages. Firstly, you profit from enhanced plant availability thanks to the media redundancy functionality that can be implemented via Profinet. Secondly, Simocode Pro for Profinet supports you with Profi Energy functions for managing your energy. In this way, you can keep a closer eye on consumption and costs in your process. And the third benefit provided by the system is the option of monitoring your plant from any location using a web browser. Or you can back integral OPC UA data transfer to operate and monitor your motors close to the switchgear, but independently of the control communication system. You can rely on the user-friendliness of the system in every aspect. Simocode Pro's data transfer is guaranteed at all times, thanks to the redundant design of the Profinet connection in a ring topology. The Redundancy Manager continuously checks the data flow in the ring. Regardless if the connection is interrupted, it ensures that the data reaches its destination. Both ports are then used, and the data is sent on an alternative path in the other direction. So plant operation is not endangered, even in the event of a communication fault. As well as security and reliability, energy saving is a core issue for you as a plant operator. To support you here, Simocode Pro for Profinet provides the standardized Profi Energy transmission profile. You can use this option for your energy management without additional devices, thus saving power and so reducing your costs thanks to efficient motor control. An important standard function here is the pause circuit. If a motor is not required, it is switched off for a specific time. A further benefit of Simocode Pro and Profi Energy. The protocol provides measured values such as current, voltage, or power and transfers them to energy management systems. There, they can be analyzed to detect potential savings. Simocode Pro does everything on a single communication link. Communication with the controller runs over Profinet, web-based access runs over Profinet, and the device also transfers data to HMI systems over the Profinet cable on the basis of OPC Unified Architecture. This means you need only one network for everything, and you save on hardware and cabling overhead. Simocode Pro provides all the motor management data online via the integral web server. You can therefore access the diagnostics data simply and securely from any location using a web browser. The current motor statuses are displayed at all times on clearly structured web pages. If a fault occurs, the relevant messages are just a click away. For example, you may see at first glance that the thermistor indicates motor overheating. To remove the cause of the fault, log into the Simocode Pro as an authorized user. Now you can acknowledge the fault and switch the motor on again remotely. In the browser view, you also have access to current measured values. Whether current, voltage, active energy, or apparent power, all the important data of the motor feeder are clearly listed. In another field, you can also find service and statistics data. The number of motor starts, for example, is particularly relevant for service and maintenance purposes, as is the fault history. In the protocol, you can see all the faults that have resulted in a shutdown, and you can then remove possible causes. You therefore have all the monitoring and operator functions at your fingertips via the web browser, without the need for any additional software. Another method for transferring diagnostics and control data is the integral OPC UA server. With Simocode Pro, it is the first time a vendor-independent communication protocol has been integrated into a field device. It supplies data for higher-level visualization and control systems. These data can also be called up individually via local HMI systems where they are used. For example, for human-machine interfacing close to the switchgear, completely independently of the controller. Whatever motor data you require here, OPC UA gives you a free choice. Measured values, diagnostics data, current status information, and much more are made available via a secure connection and fully in accordance with your requirements. Using these data, you can set up the image objects of your operator interface dynamically. Do you work with totally integrated automation from Siemens? Then OPC UA is the right solution for your plant. Because the OPC UA client that enables optimal use of the Simocode Pro server data is integrated into Simatic HMI panels right from the start. With Simocode Pro for Profinet, you profit from all the potential of industrial Ethernet for your motor management.